How to install IDMe Authenticator app. So just tap to install it. This is quite popular app for for authenticators. It's from IDMe developers. They have a bunch of others, and you're using probably Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator. So this is just like one of the alternatives. Maybe your company using that, and then you can just it's a simple and free multi-factor authentication solution for IDMe account, protecting your account from hackers by adding an additional layer of security. IDMe Authenticator generates secure two-step verification, including time-based one-time passwords, push notifications, and then that's just the way to secure your account for sure. Like if you're holding some important logins like to your Gmail or something, and like it's very it's very good idea to just add a second layer of authentication with these apps. And then you can just tap plus, and then how it works, you can just scan QR code with your camera, just give access to your camera, or you can just enter code manually. Like usually this code is presented on your laptop on your screen when you opt in to set up two-factor authentication. It can be like Google account, wherever account, it's just so popular. And then to verify your identity using IDMe, please sign up through the website you are trying to access. So that's how you access your QR code. And then you can also enable login with Face ID to this app, so it's just faster. Dark theme, show date added in the codes, and submit support request. And then it kind of functions very similar to Google Authenticator, and you will see timely codes, which usually like 30 seconds, I guess. Like usually it's like 6 digits, and if you didn't do it before, it's just basically, for example, you want to log into Gmail, so you enter your username, email, you enter your password, and then you need to enter like these 6 digits from this authenticator, and you only have like 30 seconds, for example, to add them. If you don't manage to do it during 30 seconds, you need to enter a new code. So it's kind of quite secure way to to add some additional layer of security to your favorite apps.